This week on L&N Garage, we built our own racetrack. Hopefully you enjoy. Oh! The door's open. Oh! Oh!
Oh yeah, it's going. Oh, there we go. Oh, it's so close. There we go.
And we're back. Just need a little bit of this and that.
True. I think the sticks are holding it down. It's grown in.
Dude, this thing fucking fired right up yesterday.
Oh yeah.
I hooked up the battery pack to it, and it fucking first turn it went.
The windshield like this.
Perfect. Oh.
Smash the antenna off. Hey, the wipers are on.
Hell yeah.
Hey, start her up.
How much fuel she got? Boom.
Fuel gauge doesn't work.
Like a lion. I think purrs.
Does it have oil in it?
Maybe.
Nolan, did you check the oil? Yeah.
Ooh. Ooh. You can really see a lot more rust in the snow. Yeah. Jesus.
Brings it up.
Oh. What a wonderland. Yeah, it's the old.
Hey! Fucking right in my ear. So, I mean, we know it fucking dies, but it's whatever. We can just boost it. You know what? Keep this in the car in case it dies again.
Let's see if it's stuck. That thing's 100% stuck. Oh yeah, go give it a push with the truck.
Yeah.
Also, the gas tank's hanging again, but that's fine.
Oh, just tighten the straps up back here. Yeah, tighten that one a little.
Oh no, that didn't work.
Oh no, did it just break off?
Yeah.
Fuck! Oh, that's really bad. Ah, fucking melted right on the exhaust. Maybe what we'll go do is run back up to the front. We'll turn this off for now, and I have a chain there. I have the chain, and then I have the chain connector. Okay, we'll do that. All right, new plan. Gonna go get a chain quick, and then we're gonna ratchet strap the chain underneath because the chain won't melt, hopefully. And then should be good to go again.
This thing can make like 1 or 2 laps at a time.
Yeah, dude, this thing's so delicate.
The door's open. Fucking wow.
Oh, I'm gonna rear end it. Fuck! I was slow down.
Pardon?
Sir, you have insurance?
Dude, it's just a slight dent.
Yep. There is no way he's getting out of that. And he got out of it. Wow. Impressive. This guy knows his way around a fucking foot of snow.
Welcome back to L&N Garage. Today we have a special episode for you. As you can tell, it's not going too well. I might just go get the loader. Ooh, fuck! Ooh, real fast! No! Skirt! You want to take a ride? You got to drive it, man. It's so fucking fun. I think our Uber driver's been drinking.
Oh,
You think there's still windshield wiper fluid?
No. Oh, fuck.
She's empty. Red line up the hill.
Yep.
Keep her going.
Keep her going.
Oh, I forgot about that.
Oh, fuck.
Might have to take a gas tank check.
You ever seen those Saudi Arabian drifts where they fucking those Toyota Serenas? All right, last lap. Boom. Record time.
Oh!
Woo. All right.
Bump, bump, bump. Oh, shit. Oh, fuck. I warned you. You saw it.
I thought I was going slow enough. All right, change drivers.
Well, we've done the track, we've done some loops, everyone's tested it out. As you can tell, it's great fun. Now we're gonna do some hot laps in the X-Trail, see who got the fastest lap, and I'm pretty sure that's gonna be me. So that's all I'm saying. All right, this is his practice lap. And he hit the tree, Look at this guy. Oh, you got it stuck! You fucking idiot. All right. Holy shit! Dude, you ripped the fucking frame out! That is hilarious. Whoa! All right, here he comes. And go!
That rear bumper looks a lot different.
He's looking good, He's moving pretty good. Okay, he's making good progress. And time. Okay, he got 54.03.
Okay, here comes Nolan. And go. I'll say that's a better start than you. You can hear him screaming from here. He might beat me. 51.
51, not bad. Honestly, I think it was the better start.
He had a bit more speed on the start.
100%.
I wonder what the fuck that jangling is. Yeah, see the tank's not dragging. I can see daylight underneath it. Yeah, you beat me by like 4 seconds.
Yes! Yes!
But I don't think Lenny is gonna slow down for the corner. He's gonna hit it. That side's not even on anymore. I'm worried he's gonna break the car on the corner. Okay, here's Lenio's time.
Yeah, here goes Lenny.
And go. Oh my God, he's flying. Oh, that corner.
He's honked the horn. Why do you get that corner hard every time?
Okay.
Oh, hell yeah. What'd you get?
What? That doesn't make sense. Did he biff it in the same spot?
Yeah. Yeah, that thing's definitely gotten louder.
Yeah, 53. So it's funny, he looked faster, but he was actually slower. 53.
You got 53.
Dude, I really thought I'd beat it.
Oh, for sure.
Like, and that's
It's
not
so
even...
funny. Bro, every time you hit that bump over there, you just hear like, oh!
You got 53.
Aaron got 54, Lenny got 53, and I got 51.
Oh,
Boom! Boom!
I find that it's almost, if you're driving too hard,
You'll slide.
Yeah.
It's like you gotta let off the gas.
I don't know how you guys are fucking sliding it, man. I'm hooking it easy.
Don't worry about it.
Are we doing another time lap?
Yeah, let's do another one.
Do you want to start from a dead stop now? Racers, are you ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Oh! I'm more surprised that car's still going. Oh!
Get stuck?
No. All right, let's see it. And done. 1 minute, 0.86 seconds.
Racer, ready. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, 57. Wow. Did I do good? You got 57. Yes! Yes! Okay. Racer ready. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go!
Is the signal on? Oh!
Ooh.
Why does he keep fucking honking the horn?
He's probably steering so hard. What? How is he just as... How are you faster?
What did he get?
He got a minute 1.
Yes! Dude.
Both, like me and him got the same time.
Dude, I'm fucking nuts at this.
What the fuck?
Oh!
Oh!
So I'm saying right now, racetrack is super successful and a great time. So we're thinking in the future, guys. Oh, there's another piece of the car. We're thinking maybe every weekend we do a beater race and we'll get some of our buddies out here and be a weekly thing. Maybe we win some prizes, you know, first, second, third place, win some gift cards, maybe money. Who knows? But I think we're going to have a blast out here and there's going to be some good memories made. This week on L&N Garage, we built our own racetrack. Hopefully you enjoy. Whoa! I smell gas.
Yeah, it literally fucking
Yeah.
landed and then shut off. I think the tank might be cracked in half.
You think?
It's like,
No, it's built like that to go around the exhaust.
yeah, but why is it leaking?
Why isn't it leaking?
I wonder if it's a safety shut off.
The sad, slow wiper. It's not even touching.
It's bent.
There you go.
Wait, let's try to boost it. Maybe it just killed itself.